Hello and welcome to this tutorial on local conference calling on your Poly VVX411 phone. Your Polycom phone allows up to 3 parties, including yourself, to participate in a single call. This is referred to as a local conference call or three-way conference call. To create a local conference call with up to 2 other parties, first engage the second party by either calling them or answering their call. To contact the third party for the conference call, press the More function key, then press Conference. This will automatically place the active call on hold, and you will hear a dial tone. Dial the number of the third party you wish to add to the call and press the Send function key. Once the third party answers the call, press the More function key and then press Conference. All 3 parties are now joined in on the conference call. To leave the conference call but keep the other 2 lines connected, hang up your phone or press End Call. To end the conference call for all parties, press the More function key and then the Split function key. Then press End Call for each one of the lines that you want to disconnect. To place an active conference call on hold, press the Hold key. The other parties will hear your music on hold recording. To resume the call, press the Resume function key.